What are we today, bud? I think we are Wednesday. And tonight, I'm gonna tackle some of this dash. I'm gonna pull this off, try to straighten that out. These are like light switches and stuff, but they're kind of just a fixture, permanent now. So I'll figure something out there. I do have a cover for this, so this is not a big deal. I have a new one of this and a cover. But this glove box I don't, and it's just pretty jacked up here, so I'm gonna pull this apart, try to straighten out that bracket so it actually functions. I'll figure out some way to latch this, and yeah, we'll start there, see where we get. Okay, I'm gonna cut the back of these off because I got enough that I can clamp onto after I heat these suckers up to unscrew them. Although I might oversize it and just put a 1/4-inch bolt through, but yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna do that. Cool. So, I actually got it to fit. There's no stop on there. I'm gonna have to make something, but the fact it fits. I don't have the chrome trim. I was gonna do something, but the gap is, there's not really enough room. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna weld this door, fix all these little gaps on it, close this up, and just make it as a smooth kind of glove box door. I'll have to figure a way to make that stop yet. Kind of hangs. It's gonna bugger up the paint, but yeah, so that's kind of the plan right now. There's still a little bit of adjustment in there because these can go down, so. Looking at this, I realized, because this is kind of banged up and this is all banged up and dented and stuff, I could fix this, but I want to shave all these things anyways, so what I'm actually going to do is use this as my template. I'm just going to make a new piece, and then I'll zap it over this. That'll save you the time of actually having to weld that hole shut. So yeah, I'm going to transfer this to some new steel, and then I can put it on top of here, zap it in, so yeah, it'll save me a bunch of time. Cool. Did you see me doing before? I was just walking it through the English wheel just to give it a slight curvature. So hopefully won't fight me too much when I put it on here. So you can see it needs more. I'm gonna just finesse it on my bender mabob there. See if I can get her a little closer. Cool. So, gone from trashed, pretty crappy, to nice. So let's see how that fits. If it's good, then I'll take it out, paint the inside or something, figure that out. Well, there we go. It fits pretty good. The fitment on the bottom is not perfect, but it doesn't rub. So, pretty good. I'm happy with it. Opens, does everything it's supposed to do. I'll have to make some stops in there and probably put a magnet, or I'm going to do something just to hold that up. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way this all turned out. So, now I'll pull this thing off, straighten it out. Try to find my little bits. I have them upstairs. Close this up. So yeah, that's where we're at. You can see I got my fill panel put in there. My nice fancy glove box. Down here, like I had a spare, well, the old one that was buggered up. I basically just cut this out and I modified it to be my for my light switch. So it's not screwed in yet because I'm going to wire it. I just pulled the wiring out for it. But I'll have to find some other retro knob that'll end up going on there, and that'll be my headlights and my lights and all that jazz. Right now I'm just going to wire that up. That way I can put that in permanently, semi-permanently. Oh, you can see this one. I straightened it out. It's back in there, that filler. So that'll leave this hole, which I'm just going to put a cigarette lighter in. It's probably what it was originally. Or somebody had hacked that in there, but that's all I'm going to use it for. That should cover all my dash stuff for the most part. I'm going to have to zap these up and do a little bit of body work. I'm not too finicky that things are super straight or anything, but those are kind of crappy, so I'll just do those quick. So yeah, just going to get at her. All right, well, here we are. I got my light switch there. So now I have fancy lights over there. Glove box is there, got the dent welded up. It's not, she needs a bit of body work. Just a little rough there. I still got to sand the whole dash, everything. I have to put a light into that thing yet. I got my, you can't see it. There's a switch down here, so that turns my cruise control on. That'll set my cruise. Most of my wiring's done. The other thing I don't have yet is just I don't have my brake switch. I have to find something so I can put that down there. All right, tonight's plan is going to be working on the door gaps. And I think I'm going to body work the inside of the door. So I'm going to get these gaps a little better. I'm going to clean up these welds, dress them, and do a bit of body work in here. Just so I can kind of get all of these bits done and get some paint inside the jambs. Still have to weld this up. So I think I'm going to get started on that. All right. So, we've got this all polished up. It's pretty uniform. Still there's a little out there, but I'm not too worried about it. We got everything all dressed, cleaned up. So now I can kind of do some mud work on it. Do a little bit of mud work, get it in primer, do the same to the dash. I've started doing some planishing and things like that, but seeing how this video is getting pretty long, I'm just going to save that for the next one. And thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one.